So this is an explanation of Ohm's law. And Ohm's law relates the voltage with the current and the resistance. And one way to think about this is the voltage is the push. And so that's why I've got this guy, this batter here, and he's pushing the current through this pipe, right? So he's got the energy, he's got the joules per coulomb, the current has the coulombs per second, and then the resistance here is filling in, taking from the bucket and filling in the pipe to stop or to at least impede the current flowing through the pipe. So that's the intuition about what's happening with Ohm's law. It's a way to relate those three quantities: voltage, current, and resistance. And think about it, if you have the same amount of current, but an increased amount of resistance, then to get the same flow rate, you need the batter to bat up much more energy. You need to push that current a lot harder to get the same current. Anyway, that is an attempt at explaining Ohm's law.